So in this video, we'll talk about Cloudinary. Cloudinary is a cloud-based platform that allows users to upload different media files, including images, videos, or documents. We use Cloudinary in our application to upload logos, images, profile images, and media types like this. So just stick with me, and in the next part, we'll try to configure Cloudinary for our application. Now in this video, we'll try to configure the Cloudinary, and just click on the get started. You can use any method you want to log in. We'll use the Google. Select any email you want, click on continue. We'll use this Cloudinary tool to upload different media files like images, videos, or any other PDF or document. Just wait a couple of seconds, it will configure the account. You can skip the questionnaire. You can skip the questionnaire. So now our account is actually set up. Let's select the correct environment. Let's go to the media library. Go to the upload inside the preferences. Here you can see that we have metadata on upload is checked. Go back to the media library again. This is where you can see all of the medias as samples, and you can also upload any other file manually. Go to the settings. Go to the upload. Let's edit the preset. It must be unsigned, and save. Now this preset has been set to unsigned, and this is the default, so we'll be using it in our application. We have multiple configuration over here. You can play with them if you want. Just save your configuration. You can see that we have the ml underscore default as our preset, and this is the name of the preset. Just make sure you save it somewhere, and also the environment ID. So we have done everything over here in the account. Now let's go back to the admin portal and go to the configuration, and in the Cloudinary section we need to update all the information. Now this is the URL. We actually need to update it. Okay, so before pasting it, we'll update the URL first. Let's go back to the notepad again, and let's copy the environment ID and paste it in the environment name. Yes, just remove the environment name placeholder and paste it over there. Now just copy the URL and paste it in the configuration. Now go back again. This is the preset is actually the key, so just copy the preset name and paste it in the Cloudinary key and click on save, and this will update your configuration with the updated Cloudinary configurations.